Hello friends, myself Professor Joshi VM from Arsus Technical Campus, Chas, Ahmednagar. Today we have to solve a numericals on three-phase synchronous machine. Okay, so the first numerical is that a three-phase 8-pole 750 RPM revolution per minute star-connected alternator has 72 slots on an armature. Each slot has 12 conductor and winding is shorted by 2 slots. Find the pitch factor and distribution factor for the winding and calculate the induced EMF between the lines if the flux per pole is 0.06 Weber. So we have to solve this numerical and first of all we have to calculate the total conductors. So we have to calculate total conductor equals to 72 slots and each slot having 12 conductors. That means total conductor is 72 into 12. Therefore total conductor is 864 number of conductors. After that, conductor per phase. We have to calculate conductor per phase. Conductor per phase equals to, there are 3 phases, therefore total number of conductor divided by number of phases, that means 864 divided by 3, and after calculating this we will get 288 conductor per phase. So now we have to calculate the turns per phase. Now turns per phase, we name as T. The turns per phase is 288 divided by 2 and the turn per phase is 144. So now we have to calculate the pole pitch. Pole pitch equals to 72, that is number of slots divided by number of poles, and number of pole is given 8 poles. So pole per pitch is 9 slots. Okay, now angle alpha by which coil falls shorts. Now angle alpha by which coil falls short. Therefore angle alpha equals to 180 into 2 divided by number of pole pitches 9, and we will get 40 degree. That means the value of alpha is equals to 40 degree. So now the coil pitch factor, that is Kc, coil pitch factor Kc equals to coil pitch factors Kc equals to cos alpha upon 2, and the value of alpha is 40, therefore cos of 40 upon 2, and the answer is 0.9396. Now we have to calculate the beta. beta equals to 180 upon slots per pole, and the slots per pole we have already calculated. Slots per pole we have to calculate it, that is 72 upon 8, that is 9. That means 180 upon 9 equals to 20 degree, and small m equals to slots per pole per phase. Slots per pole per phase. Slots per pole per phase equals to 72 upon 8 upon 3, and the answer is 3, that is 9 upon 3 equals to 3. Now the distribution factor. Distribution factor. The formula for the distribution factor is KD equals to sine of m beta upon 2 upon m sine of beta upon 2. By simplifying this, we will get sine of 3 into 20 upon 2 divided by 3 into sine of 20 upon 2, and the distribution factor KD equals to 0.9597, and this quantity is unitless. Now finally we have to calculate the EPH. We have to calculate the EPH, and the formula for EPH is EMF into phase equals to 4.44 kc kd phi m ft. By putting all the values equals to 4.44, the value of kc is 0.9396 into 0.9597 into 0.06 into 50 into 144, and we will get finally 1729.6 volts. This is our EPH. Now we have to calculate the EMF of line voltage, that is EMF line equals to root 3 EPH equals to root 3 into value of EPH is 1729.6, and the final answer is 2996 volts. This is the value of EPH line. Okay, this is our final answer. Now we are taking next numerical. Next numerical is that a 3-phase 14-pole alternator has star connected winding with 144 slots and 10 conductor per slot. The flux per pole equals to 0.03 Weber, sign distributed, and the speed is 375 rpm. So calculate number 1 frequency, number 2 phase voltage, and number 3 is line voltage. We have to find out the frequency, phase voltage, and line voltage. So we start our numerical by calculating first frequency, and we know that the formula for the frequency is F equals to Pn upon 120, and the number of poles are 16, while while the speed is 375 upon 120, and after calculating we will get 50 cycles per seconds, or f equals to 50 hertz. We calculate our frequency, that is first point. After that we have to calculate the phase voltage. For that we have to calculate the total number of conductors. Total number of conductors equals to 144 into 10, and the answer is 1440. After that we have to calculate the Z, that is 1440 upon 3, and the answer is 480. Therefore T equals to Z upon 2 equals to 480 upon 2 equals to 240, or we will call that 0.03. Okay, our T is turn per phase and the Z is conductor per phase. Okay, now we have to calculate Kc and Kd. Therefore, for Kc and Kd, as coil pitch is not mentioned, take full pitch coil. Why will take in this full pitch coil? Because for the Kc and Kd, as a coil pitch is not mentioned, that's why we taken here a full pitch coil. Therefore Kc equals to 1 and beta equals to 180 upon slots per pole equals to 180 upon 144 upon 60. Therefore beta equals to 20. Okay, now small m equals to slots per phase per pole equals to 144 divided by 3 into 60 equals to 48 upon 16 equals to 3. That means m equals to 3. Okay, now we have to calculate the Kd. And the formula for the Kd is equals to sine of m beta upon 2 upon m sine of beta upon 2 equals to sine of 3 into 20 upon 2 upon 3 sine of 20 upon 2, and the answer is 0.5 upon 0.52094. This is our answer of Kd. Our answer of Kd is, after calculating this, we will get 0.9597. This is our answer of Kd. Now we have to calculate the Vp, phase voltage, and the formula for the phase voltage is 4.44 Kc Kd phi Ft. Kc Kd phi Ft. By putting all this value, we will get 4.44 into 1 into 0.9597 into 0.03 into 50 into 240, and after solving this we will get Vp equals to 1534 volts. Okay, and lastly, as the star connected line voltage, as the star connected line voltage, therefore VL equals to root 3 into 1534 equals to 2657 volt. This is our line voltage. Okay, I hope you will understand this numericals. Thank you.